So we found the area of the whole rectangle. The whole rectangle is a 7 by 13 rectangle, the blue rectangle, and we get 91. Now we find the area of the holes in that picture, which are the 3 blue rectangles. Well, all 3 of those are right triangles. Can you see that? So when you're finding the area of a right triangle, it's just 1/2 leg 1 times leg 2. So we just have to find what the legs are. And this is 7. This is 3 here. This is 10. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this is 2 by 13. Does everybody see what I did? All the rectangles? And now we're going to find area of each of those triangles, which is 7 times 3 divided by 2, which is 10.5, the area of that guy. 10 times 5 divided by 2 is 25. And 2 times 13 divided by 2 is 13. And when we find the area of the triangle, we subtract those 3 numbers. So minus 10.5, minus 13, minus 25. And what do we get when we do that? We get 42.5. So that's the first way you're going to do it. You're going to encase the triangle in a rectangle, find the area of the whole rectangle, then subtract the area of the 3 triangles that it forms. Everybody see that?
That seems just really tedious for no reason.
Wait till we get to some of the other ones we're going to learn, okay?
Why do we do them?
Okay. What's cool about all these formulas is they're seemingly unrelated, and they all get you the same information. So there's going to be a time that you're going to take that formula sheet. I'm going to give you a triangle with certain information, and you're going to find the area using 3 or 4 of those methods, okay? And there's lots of ways to skin this cat. So the other formula we're going to do is the guy in the bottom. And the guy in the bottom said that it's 1/2 the determinant, and these are the different points. So -2, 7, and a 1. You're going to put 1s at the end. 0, -6, and a 1. And what's the third one? 5, 4, and a 1. Now, whoever invented this, I don't get it, but you put 1s down the third column, and you put your 3 vertices stacked on top of each other. Every once in a while, or a lot of times, you will get a negative answer, but just make it positive, because area is positive. But depending on what order you put the vertices in, you might get a negative, okay? This morning they got a negative, but you just make it positive. So, thanks for the sound effects. Anyway, so you're going to go in your calculator and do this. So both ways, you get 42.5 if you do the determinant times 1/2, or if you do the area of the whole thing minus the area of the holes in the thing.
I got -5.